Talaga po bang need ng 12 fruits sa table sa New Year? Sa amin kasi we do not really require the 12 fruits, but you needed to put the 5 element fruit, the 5 color fruits. No? Mas effective po yan kasi the 12 round na prutas ay nakagisna natin, no? Symbolizing that may pera sa 12 months. No? Actually, mali yung 12 fruits eh. Dapat yung 12 fruits plus pineapple sa gitna. Because pineapple is the prosperity, no? Na sinasabi. Kaya dapat pineapple gitna tapos 12 fruits if that is what you wanted to follow. Pero po when I practice spiritual metaphysics, it's better to put the 5 colored fruits, no? Symbolizing the 5 elements. Because if you have 5 elements completing your basket, everything and anything natatransform. Kung problema yan, natatransform mo. Kung good yan, napapalakas mo, no? Kapag bad yan o imminent danger, nasa-subdue nyo. That is the symbol of the 5 elements because everything po revolves around 5 elements. So, mas maganda po yun. So, if you have been following me, I do not actually adhere to the 12 fruits, no? Pero lagi ko po sinasabi yung 5 element fruits.